heartily welcome to new academic session 2020-21. This is a year with a lot of differences, aspirations and even apprehensions. In this time of distress, let us focus on the positives and commit the year surrendering ourselves totally to Almighty God and Mother Mary, our patron, and Saint Kyriakos Elias Chavra, our founder. Let us courageously face this new reality. May the good Lord continue to shower His blessings upon each and every one of us. Carmel stands for you, my dear students. Our motto, Guru Vachanam Mama Deepam, be always there in your mind. At Carmel, we provide an atmosphere for all-round development of our students, where children are encouraged to channelize their potential in the pursuit of excellence. We encourage, educate, assist and challenge our students to grow as lifelong learners. Today, we should be mature enough to understand the challenges that have taken place due to the pandemic outbreak. Let us tune ourselves to the new normal. Nobody can defeat us unless we opt for it. Let us come together, holding each other's hands, fly higher and higher. Let us try to be closer to our parents, teachers who have lit the light of knowledge and wisdom. Confidence, opportunities, values, integrity and determination should be the guiding principle for this year. That is COVID, COVID, is the new normal for us Carmelites. Thus, COVID is not a threat but a challenge. Let us face it courageously. Dear students, we are passing through a challenging phase of the academic year. We haven't come together yet. We haven't wished the best, but we have begun the new academic year. Realizing the challenges of the day, Carmel is switching to new way of teaching and learning, that is e-learning. For this purpose, we have introduced a new YouTube channel for our school. In fact, all the teachers were in full preparation for this new way of teaching, and now they are ready. I sincerely thank all my teachers for their genuine commitment and solid preparation. Let me wish all my students a pleasant and vibrant learning. The school is striving hard to make the best possible efforts to inculcate strong values, combining with academics and extracurricular activities in the children, converting every individual into a self-reliant and independent citizens of the nation. At this juncture, I earnestly recommend to you, my dear students, to make use of the possible availabilities. During this period of e-learning, you are expected to spend sufficient time with academic content in your digital devices. Therefore, you are advised not to spend too much time in social media. Restrict the device only for the academic activities. Let me wish God's abundant blessings on all the Carmelites. Carmel is our family. Let's keep Carmel close to our hearts and let the flag of Carmel fly always high in the air. May God bless you all. Thank you.